Oui, 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 oui. C'est comme ça qu'on s'infiltre dans un lycée, avec un téléphone. On peut se permettre de tourner dans le bureau du briseur sans que rien ne nous arrive. Salut à tous et à toutes, je suis Seros et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de Life is Strange, épisode 3 Chaos Theory. Et oui, aujourd'hui, nous allons découvrir quel mystère se cache derrière Max Scofield et ses pouvoirs, et surtout retrouver Rachel Amberts, et voir ce qui s'est passé avec la petite Kate.
That impish look scares me.
Care for a midnight swim? The Blackwell pool is ours.
Swimming? You want to take that risk now?
It's been a cray week. You didn't let me take that money to pay off Frank, so if he pops a cap in my skull, at least allow me to have a little carefree fun for a few minutes.
Effectivement.
Splish Splash?
Ah oui,
right.
je suis totalement d'accord.
We hella deserve
Je suis pressé de voir des
Splish
filles.
Splash.
Did you actually
En
just
maillot de
say
bain.
hella?
I think I'm a good bad influence on you.
Ne me regardez pas comme ça. Je suis un homme. Et lui, c'est un lapin crétin. Il est prêt à tout pour se battre. Vous entendez? Voilà. Bien ce que je disais. Ouais, vous allez encore prendre pour une bonne de pervers, moi tout seul. Dur, la vie. Sans saucisson. Enfin bref. Hello,
We're
piscine
in
de
the Otter's
Blackwell.
Lair. Big fucking deal. I want that heated water.
We still have to play it cool, okay? I still go to school here.
You can own this hellhole once you figure out your rewind power.
C'est pas faux.
Chloe is so psyched for Girls' Night Out, so I better follow her evil plan.
Oui.
I would love a soda, but I'd just get wired.
Tu viens juste de l'acheter un en plus.
Go Otters.
Faire une bombe. Qui n'a pas explosé, donc techniquement elle devrait être toujours sur toi. Enfin bon, je me comprends. Oh.
I actually don't have the time to investigate this caper.
T'es sûr? Ok, je suis débile, mais je me retrouve plus mes lunettes de natation. Si vous les retrouvez, je vous offrirai ma gratitude éternelle et un bon d'achat de 25$ pour le Bean Heap Café. Ok.
I hope the Otters will survive.
Oh, pauvre petite l'autre.
If only I could solve the mystery of the missing cat pics.
Recherche désespérément en sac à dos volé avec la tablette neuve. J'en ai besoin pour les cours et ma tablette contient les photos de mes chats décédés. You! Oh, la pauvre! Prête à payer une récompense. Non, mais les photos des chats décédés, c'est pas des chats décédés sur la tablette, c'est des chats qui sont morts. Mais c'est pas les photos des chats qui sont morts, ils sont vivants. Je me comprends. Sans poser des questions, si vous avez des infos ou désirez me rendre mon sac, vous savez me joindre. Please? C'est triste. Chloé?
Boys or girls?
Il y a un choix. Franchement, garçon.
Boys, of course.
Figures. Perv.
Let me check to see if the pool's heated.
Je sais pas que c'était un choix possible. Et ici, on va pouvoir fouiller dans... Ha ha! C'est exactement ce que
I
je voulais
guess
faire.
somebody forgot their Blackwell spirit.
Je voulais voir si on pouvait pas trouver des infos sur Nathan Prescott. Il doit avoir son casier quelque part.
Sometimes.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, tout va mal.
I guess I should consider this evolution.
Je sais que je suis un sale con, mais je tiens toujours à toi. Bisous, Logan.
Boys' locker room is right.
Sex me up. Ok, d'accord. Ah, Warren.
Betty developed that in Jefferson's class. But why?
T'es sérieuse? Elle demande vraiment elle se pose vraiment la question? Elle a pas compris, quoi.
Zach is really careless. Doesn't he know what happens when I'm around?
Hey! Et j'ai dépensé coquine à ton égard. Ah ah, t'es habillé comment? Je porte juste mon collier en cristal et mon téléphone. Wow. Chaud, et toi? Je suis dans les vestiaires, je porte que mon maillot de foot assis sur mon ballon. Ok.
No way am I touching Zach's jersey.
C'est quoi ça?
This must be for training kids.
C'est forcément ça, ouais. Nathan.
It's okay for Nathan to be hooked on these drugs, right?
Ah, il fait peut-être des épisodes psychomatiques.
Some poor hipster lost their vape.
Oh, pauvre hipster. D'accord, donc on a pu fouiller dans les vestiaires des mecs. Je me demande si dans...
Huh, it's nice to know Victoria loves something besides herself.
C'est mignon. Oh no!
Welcome to 1950.
Genre, Max, elle a son propre tag aussi sur le mur, génial.
I bet you do.
Par contre, ce qui est marrant, en fait, c'est que y a pas beaucoup de tags, hein. C'est plutôt propre, en raison. Il y a juste 2 pauvres tags sur les murs. Ça va, ils sont plutôt respectueux.
Max Caulfield, Moral Avenger. This one is almost empty. The guys must like their pink goo.
Dis pas ça comme ça, Max. Waouh.
Bros will be bros.
69 raisons de Bang Ratcher. Je ne ferai pas la traduction de Bang. Vous êtes assez grand pour avoir compris, n'est-ce pas? Hey, Chloé.
Max, try to find the light for the pool. I want to see the sharks.
Otters don't like sharks. They bite.
So do I. Hit that light.
Quels sharks? Il y a des requins dans la piscine? Ouais, je suis pas sûr d'apprécier ça, hein.
In case I run out of air, I know where to... There has to be a control panel for the lights around here.
Elle s'est coupée elle-même, pas fait exprès.
Yes, we get it. Otters.
Cool. Les loutres. Ah, les loutres bouffent. Mais beaver, c'est pas loutre alors. Beaver, c'est quoi? C'est une marmotte. Voilà, beaver, c'est marmotte.
Coffee and swimming.
Et voilà.
Good combo.
Donc en fait, si un jour en anglais une femme canadienne vous dit eat my beaver, ça ne veut certainement pas dire mange ma marmotte. Voilà, c'est tout ce que.
Don't even think I'm gonna
Cherchez même pas à
remind you.
comprendre. Ça fait peur. Oh, on peut allumer ça. Ok, allume. C'est beau. Elle avait un maillot de bain sur elle. Elle est sexy. Sexy la Chloé.
So, the big plan is
Win.
win.
C'est un plan plutôt assez, on va dire, j'allais dire straightforward.
Coffee and swimming. Good combo.
Hey, j'adore ton maillot de bain, girl. Comment on fait pour te parler? Tu vas plonger là? Wouh! Attends,
Time to
j'arrive!
do or dive, Max.
Max? Comment on fait? Ah, faut que j'attende en fait pour lui parler.
Oh yeah, baby. Feels like a hot tub. Too bad you made me feel like the queen of assholes because I wanted that cash stash. Tell me you're not gonna stand there watching me like a zombie. Don't you dare! Come stop me, hippie. Okay, you asked for it. Cowabunga! Why, look, an otter in my water.
Regardez pas comme ça!
Dun, 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 dun.
You are so obvious.
Tout de suite.
And I still get freaked out by that movie, so stop. I can't even watch any of those shark shows. I'll just rewind and harpoon you. Otter's revenge.
Cheater.
Yeah, you wouldn't know about that.
I wish Rachel was here. She would totally love being in here at night. Wish you guys had met each other.
We will. With all this stuff going on, I'm starting to think everything is related, and I want to find out for Kate's sake. She almost died today.
Your power is changing everything, Max. Especially you. I can already tell. You're not so chicken shit anymore.
Thanks, girlfriend.
You know what I mean. You're becoming like this force of nature.
More like luck of nature. Come on, my power failed trying to rescue Kate. Maybe I'm just stumbling back and forth in time. For what reason?
You didn't stumble when you saved me, Max.
Not that time. But that's because you were there to kickstart my power.
So it's time to start moving forward in time. And we're obviously connected, since without me, you would have never discovered your power, right?
Absolutely. You make me feel like I know what I'm doing.
And you make me feel like I have a reason for still being in Arcadia Bay.
I hope so.
Stop being so goddamn humble. You're like the smartest, most talented person I've ever known.
More than Rachel Amber?
Dude, I'm not her groupie, okay? And I'm sure you have Blackwell bros all over you. Like Warren.
Warren is nice.
Nice? Ouch. That means friend zone.
No, he's really cool.
No!
He was so sweet when he stood up to Nathan.
No! Warren!
I haven't told him
Je suis
that I
désolé,
have
Warren.
power.
No
Je
worries.
fais les mauvais choix, Warren.
Once you get over yourself,
Je
you're gonna
voulais
make the
tellement
world
te
bow.
sauver.
As long as you're there with me.
Don't look so sad. I'm never leaving you.
Il est dans la friendzone, à jamais.
Now I'm getting cold and
Vas-y. Je suis de tout cœur avec toi.
Because we're yapping instead of attacking each other, otter versus shark style. I think I've had my pool experience for the year. Let's check.
Let's call it a draw. I'm gonna freeze my ass off when I get out.
Bah ouais, bah maintenant elle va avoir... Elle
I feel
va...
like we just went swimming in Chlorine Bay.
You look cute with your hair soaked in chemicals.
Thanks. You would know.
Oh oh.
Hide!
En plus là maintenant elle doit se cacher avec la culotte mouillée dans le pantalon. Dur la vie, dure.
We have to go now.
Bah go.
Are you shitting me?
Fuck. Comment il sait qu'on est là? Merde.
Dude, hide! Like when we were kids.
D'accord, mais où?
I could use my power. Or just look for a hiding spot. Or both.
Where are they?
Comment ils savent qu'on est là?
Hey, look.
Oh, elle m'a vu.
Where are they?
Comment je fais? Comment je fais? Je stresse là. Il va rentrer ici. Et au moment où il rentre ici, je ressors de l'autre côté.
Hello?
Rien à
Anybody
foutre.
there?
Stop talking to me.
Better not try any Halloween pranks after today.
Gna, gna, gna. Rien à foutre, j'ai pas
I
peur.
heard something over here.
T'as rien entendu du tout, mec. Tu vois? Y'a
Who's
rien.
here?
Personne.
I got a flashlight and a stick.
Et moi j'ai un téléphone. Et je peux te mettre sur Instagram si je veux. Stress, stress, stress. Yeah. Oh 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 oh! Metal Gear like, buddy! Eh les gars, chez où Chloé, putain? Punaise. What the fuck? D'où il sort lui, bordel? Porte de quoi? Bon, j'ai réussi à me... Je suis pas sûr que ce soit le... Ah, mais c'est parce qu'on a allumé la lumière.
We are so invisible.
Let's bail.
Bordel. Stressant. Tout le monde va te voir.
Turn around. They're coming. We have to find another way out.
Oh, this is bullshit. You can't go back to your dorm now. You're a Blackwell fugitive. Crash at my place tonight.
You want me to crash where the Blackwell security officer lives so I'll be safe? Okay.
Into the car. Get in. Later, fuckers. Max, you rock. We are so fucking awesome.
Yes, we so are.
Je suis pas sûr que ce soit super génial de faire ça, mais bon, écoutez, pourquoi pas. Le tout, c'est d'arriver à l'école à la bonne heure le lendemain matin. Ouh. Je crois qu'elle a arrêté l'heure. Elle est légèrement en retard. Forcément, pas de réveil. Oh. Faut que j'appuie sur B ou pas? Max? Réveille-toi. Wake up, Max. Prendre un selfie. Go!
Always remember this moment.
Photobomb!
Photo hog.
La meuf qui se réveille le matin qui se prend un selfie. Nyeh. Moyen, quoi.
Feels like a different world from
Parce que ouais,
yesterday.
tu te réveilles avec une tête comme
We
ça.
left a skid mark on Blackwell last night.
Putain.
Like it needs another one. I'd like to do something good for my school in Arcadia Bay. I can't even submit my photo to represent. I just don't want to be rejected.
Every great artist gets rejected before they get accepted. So you have to enter a photo.
Even though I'm pimping the school and town you want to torch.
Come on, I don't want to see Arcadia Bay burned to the shore. I just say shit like that because I've been trying to get out of here since you left, basically. If I could find Rachel, then pay Frank off, I'm still leaving to start a whole new life.
Wish we could just hang out all morning like we used to.
Oh non.
Maybe we should get up. I have to
Copyright
get back to
music!
Blackwell soon.
Je ne peux pas
Oh, does the
contrôler
schoolgirl have a
mes
test
mouvements.
today?
I'm starting to feel like going to Blackwell every day is a test. I just need to get on my regular school schedule again.
I know that it is freezing, but I think we have to walk. Waiting at the desk,
Aidez-moi par pitié. Appuyez sur un truc pour me lever. Appuie sur B. La musique continue.
I'm so wiped out from last night.
C'est bon,
But it
j'arrête.
was awesome.
La vidéo sera flag, j'espère que ce sera pas bloqué non. C'est chiant avec ce jeu là. Les musiques sont
I
bien,
need to get dressed.
mais...
now.
Warren? Heureux de voir que tu n'as pas fait exploser Blackwell hier. Enfin presque heureux. Au fait, apparemment tout le monde va aller au drive-in, alors j'achète des billets maintenant. Je te laisse t'occuper du popcorn, en d'autres termes, tu peux plus te dégonfler maintenant. Et il insiste, hein, il insiste, hein.
I don't think I'll be moshing today.
be my own best friend.
Trouver d'événements, ah, ces événements sont là.
And the papers have my own corner.
Ugh. Still reeks like a chlorine factory.
Ah, on va changer de vêtements?
See if
Oh,
you
bah.
can find a suitable outfit in my fashion hole.
Window.
Cool, on va mettre des vêtements à Chloé.
I was such a wuss to cower in the closet while David hit her.
By the morning,
At least we haven't been identified. Yet.
I know you have.
La police a appréhendé un homme nu armé d'une épée de donut
I can feel it.
aux environs de 20h50. Ok, sous influence de boissons énergisantes.
Many men stronger than me have thrown their backs out.
Putain, hé, toi la musique là,
to live.
mec. Putain, je peux pas l'arrêter. Oh merde.
Thank God she's okay.
Copyright, copyright,
I
copyright.
wonder when I can visit her.
Count on me to split
Oh là là.
the love I saw
Trouver des
you
vêtements
in the evening by the morning.
ici.
Okay. Time for some Chloe cosplay.
Hey, there you go. Rachel left a bunch of her clothes with me. She's your size.
But not quite my style.
Max, you don't have a style yet. At least give it a try. You can always rewind back to your chlorine brand t-shirt and generic jeans.
You suck. I like my shirt and jeans. But it would be cool to try on Rachel's clothes just to see if they fit.
Stop second-guessing yourself, Max. Put this on and let your inner punk rock girl come out. You can afford to take chances whenever and whatever you want to try. For example, I dare you to kiss me.
What?
I double dare you. Kiss me out.
Mais bien sûr! 3 fois oui!
Damn, you're hardcore, Max. Now I can text Warren and tell him he doesn't stand a chance. Unless he's into girl-on-girl action.
You're such a dork.
Might die from medication.
Oh man, that was priceless when I kissed Chloe. She didn't think I would.
What was normal in the evening?
Ouais, mais avec moi aux commandes, elle est obligée de l'embrasser. C'est bon, arrêtez! Arrêtez de me juger! Jugez-la pas plutôt!
The trouble it started all the
Wow!
Looking sick, Max? A couple tats, some piercings, and we'll make a thrasher out of you yet.
Ready for the mosh pit, Shaka Bra.
feeling.
Maybe not.
Non.
Go on down and say hi to Joyce. Free breakfast. I have to wake and bake first.
I promise not to tell.
Let's not rewind and find out, okay?
There's one way to live.
Tu vas faire
Love this
quoi?
morning light. It's so peaceful.
Wouldn't it be wicked if we could just hang out here forever like when we were kids?
Yes, but sadly we're not kids anymore.
At least you can date now, right? My dad was terrified of the day I would discover boys.
So, you never really told me if you had a serious boyfriend while I was away.
Not serious. Hella stupid, usually. I went through a boy toy phase. Among other things.
I can't see you with any of the guys around here.
Because you have a good eye. That's why I was so glad Rachel came along to rescue me.
Sounds like you totally crushed on Rachel.
You would have too. Smart, sexy, and sassy. Like me, right?
Well, duh. Maybe Rachel would have fought over both of us.
You wish. Then again, maybe. You're a photographer and she wanted to be a model.
Aide. Allez, go. On va pas remonter le temps pour savoir ce qu'elle va faire.
The fact that she put the photo next to Rachel's is so touching.
Ah, la photo. Ah, la photo du papillon. Top. Ah, des capotes. Top. Don't be a dummy, cover your willy. Sérieusement? Ça, c'est un slogan qu'il faut absolument le mettre partout, ça.
Oh my god, that smells so amazing.
Merci du fond du cœur d'être venu sur le toit pour moi. Tu es la seule qui était là pour moi à l'académie. La seule pour qui je comptais vraiment. Je crois vraiment que tu as été envoyée pour me donner de l'espoir. Tu en as fait tellement plus. Mon père aussi reconnaissant. Tu seras toujours dans nos prières. Good.
It's like when we were kids here.
Ça sent. Ça sent. J'espère que ça sent le bacon. T'as intérêt de sentir le bacon. Oh. Joyce. Joyce, dis-moi que tu vas faire ce que je pense que tu vas faire. Joyce, please. Joyce. Salut, Joyce.
Good morning, Joyce.
Rachel, I mean Max.
Oh.
Oh, you startled me. Well, you fit those clothes well. Thank God you're not a hellraiser like her or Chloe. Now tell me exactly what you want to chow on.
Des pancakes. Non, je vous ai eu, hein.
All the way.
Bien sûr.
Remember when you guys would sleep in until I yelled out, wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey?
Totally.
Oh.
We'd wake up so fast.
So this time you can help me with the ingredients. I need you to grab me the actual eggs and the bacon.
Ça tombe très bien. Par contre, je peux
I
mettre
can
plus de
handle eggs and
bacon.
bacon.
Je peux mettre plus de bacon que d'œufs. Laisse-moi prendre le bacon, cette délicieuse
I
viande.
should evolve and become a vegan, but bacon.
Bacon, c'est la vie! Yeah, baby! Max, tu es faite pour moi. Oh.
Wowzer. Chloe still eats the same cereal. So do I.
Come on, Max. Find those ingredients so we can
Oh,
chow
fuck.
down.
Ouais, mais t'as mis où les œufs, du coup, en fait, Joyce? Sérieusement? Concrètement? Hein? oh.
Jeez.
Who drinks beer this early around here? Oh man, I don't want to be famous for this.
Oh. Super-héroïne save suicidal Blackwell student.
I love that they still have the same refrigerator.
Mais du coup... Joyce?
Joyce looks so different in her street clothes.
J'ai le bacon, mais après... Où sont les œufs? Où peuvent être rangés les œufs dans une maison américaine?
David, this is Officer Korn. Just want to let you know your stepdaughter's car was identified near the Blackwell campus last night, around the time of the break-ins.
What?
Give me a call soon.
Are you in trouble again, Chloe? Don't you sleep?
Ouais, tu n'as rien entendu du tout. Voilà.
Message deleted.
Goodbye, message. I think Chloe has earned a break from all this bullshit.
Putain, où sont les œufs? Joyce! Aide-moi, banditier! Je ne sais pas où sont les œufs dans cette maison! Tiens, peut pas... Où est-ce qu'on range des œufs? À part dans le frigo. Ouais, déjà, sûrement, on range pas les œufs dans le frigo, c'est vrai. Pourquoi les œufs sont là? Pourquoi les œufs sont à la porte? Pourquoi c'est logique?
The eggs always come first, as Joyce used to say.
Non mais sérieusement. Franchement. Tiens, Joyce.
Thanks. After all these years and everything that's happened, it's great to see you and Chloe together again. She hasn't had a good friend since you or Rachel. Oh, those clothes remind me so much of her. Such a sweet girl. I'm just hoping she's living large in LA.
I'd love to think that too,
Elle a dit ça la même
Joyce.
chose.
But
We're on the same page, Max. I keep hoping that Rachel will show up or even send a message to Chloe from Hollywood. Or wherever she is.
is there any reason that Rachel might be mad at Chloe and left without her?
Chloe could piss everybody off but her. They were almost joined at the head. Reminded me of you and Chloe. But Rachel wasn't as grounded as you.
I'm grounded? Since when? Maybe that's why Chloe likes Rachel so much.
Max Caulfield, are you actually jealous of Rachel?
Maybe. Rachel was so much cooler than me.
You think? Then why has Chloe been telling me she wishes she could be more like you over the past 5 years?
Doubt it. Did she really? 5 years ago feels like 1,000 now.
And that makes me what, a century old?
Oh.
You're only 18, Max. Oh, youth. If only I could go back.
Ah ouais,
It's
je peux,
not
moi.
all that, Joyce.
Voila, a breakfast fit for us queens. And a king. Go sit at the table.
On va manger avec l'autre gars, là. Je sais pas quoi penser. Il y a le petit oiseau, il est là, regardez! Le petit oiseau qu'on a sauvé dans l'épisode de je sais plus combien! Il est vivant! Merci, Joyce.
Thank you
Merci.
so much, Joyce. I'm never leaving this table.
Je peux avoir plus de
Good, you can
bacon.
clean.
Tu pourras faire la vaisselle. Oh, fuck. Je peux avoir plus de bacon, please?
I guess nobody waters the plant here. Oh man.
Merde, j'ai vu ça.
I'm glad that's creamy and not crunchy.
Bon, ben mange, hein. Nom, 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 bacon, 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 bacon. C'est quoi, hein? Il reste un morceau de bacon! Max Caulfield! Tu as intérêt de le
Seeing
finir!
you again? Ah, made me remember so much. I know these photos don't measure up to your work, Max.
My favorite photographers probably take pictures similar to yours. You make David happy, Joyce.
He wants us all to be happy, Max. He's just not great at showing it.
Pas doué du tout, même.
I don't think I can rock this outfit like Rachel.
You have your own cool style.
Wowzer. I totally remember that day.
I'm glad. William took this picture with his instant camera. Oh, it was the last picture he ever took. He had his car out right after this, and
I know, Joyce. I'm sorry.
I didn't show you this to be morbid. In fact, I want you to have this. This was when my baby was so full of life and light. She was hopeful, positive, everything she's not today. And this was the last time I ever saw Chloe truly happy.
Did you guys have a bonding session about how fucked up I am?
It's not always about you.
Chloe, please. It's too early to start picking a fight. Eat instead.
I'll keep the warden busy while you go peek in the garage.
Now stop whispering, or I'll know you're talking about me.
Stop being so nosy, Mother. Geez, I can't do anything around here without everybody getting up in my shit.
No one can even joke with you, Chloe. You fly off the handle like that.
Excuse me. I have to use the bathroom.
Sure, run off and pee when you should back me up.
Now who's being paranoid? Just listen to yourself.
Nobody else does.
I do need to get into David's computer. He's gotta be hiding shit.
Faut que je fasse attention à tout ce qui... Il y a une caméra cachée en fait dans la maison.
No shit, it needs a password. How about step douche? Try again. I need more clues.
Là-dedans. Je suppose que...
Maybe I could try stepdad for the password.
Je suppose que j'ai pas... Quand il y a, tout le monde aurait dit dans les commentaires la première fois. What? Ok, d'accord. La première fois, en fait, il m'avait dit en fait que j'avais oublié de récupérer les dossiers dans l'épisode 1, je crois, ou un truc du genre. Que je pouvais accéder à des dossiers secrets, en fait, sur son ordinateur. Je pense que c'est maintenant.
Try again.
Ça aurait pu, hein.
Nothing in it.
D'accord. C'est quoi ça?
Naturally, David would buy a heavy-duty military padlock. I can even see the combination. That might be a useful password.
Ah, cool. Mais moi, je pense que c'est le mot de passe qui était caché. La rencontre de Joyce.
Nope.
Alors. Ça alors.
Score! Max the hacker strikes again.
Je sais pas, je sais plus c'est quel mot de passe par contre.
Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank.
Oh fuck!
But why does David care?
Parce que Frank c'est une mauvaise graine. Rachel a séché les cours la nuit dernière, laissé toute la semaine. Frank et Rachel se retrouvent encore. Rachel évite sa chambre sur le campus, suivi Rachel jusqu'au phare. Rapport d'incident. Rachel Amber, 18 ans, a été appréhendée à 14h35 à l'académie Blackwell pour possession de substances réglementées. David Madsen, chef de sécurité du campus, avait contacté la police après avoir vu tenter de dissimuler un sac médical suspect. L'agent présenté a téléchargé et interrogé Mademoiselle Amber, qui a répondu avec des menaces et des dénis. Une fouille a révélé que son sac contenait divers produits pharmaceutiques illégaux.
Instead of stalking Kate, David could have helped her.
Kate prend toujours le même chemin pour aller en cours. Discussion entre Kate et Dana concernant la livraison pour la fête du Vortex. Drogue, vu Kate avec son groupe religieux. Elle connaît bien la Bible. Kate reste dans les toilettes plus longtemps que les autres élèves. Drogue, vu Kate a aidé Jefferson après les cours. Ne jamais faire confiance aux adultes qui portent un bouc. Oh merde. Kate, très solitaire depuis la fête du Vortex, ne s'est pas rendue à l'église. Drogue, tenter de parler à Kate de la fête. Très contrarié, parti en courant. Coupable. Oh fuck.
This is so wrong. Oh, creepy bastard.
Cool.
I better tell Chloe about this now. Whoa, spoiler alert.
Y a pas moyen de...
Rachel definitely hooked up with Frank.
Y a pas moyen de fermer tout ça en fait?
Why does David care?
C'est quoi ça? Des réserves pour au moins une année entière, quoi. Pas moyen de verrouiller son ordinateur au cas où? Voilà, comme si je vais rien toucher. L'ordinateur est tout comme propre neuf. Voilà. Je sais pas si ça sert à quelque chose en fait, mais bon, je le fais quand même. On sait jamais. C'est peut-être mieux comme ça. Taylor. Je voulais juste te remercier du faire de ceci pour ma mère et moi. On a tous vu comment t'étais cool avec Kate quand tout le monde s'en foutait. Merci Taylor, je sais que t'as bon cœur. Si tu viens à la soirée, j'aimerais bien te le reworker, ça te dit? Si j'y vais, j'adorerais me faire un makeover à la Taylor. Cool, elle s'est fait une nouvelle copine. Ça va, Chloé? Oh oh.
Nice breakfast.
David, you back already?
I have to take a nap after writing up vandalism reports last night.
What happened?
Some little shit-ass punks broke into the swimming pool. This is what happens at these PC bullshit colleges. Entitled students taking over the campus.
Do you know for sure it was Blackwell students?
Who else would do it? And I'm gonna bust them. Figures you'd be here. Is that your Rachel Amber Halloween costume?
You know more about her than me.
No. You and Chloe think you know more than anybody. Like all teenagers.
Fait plaisir.
Leave Max alone, David. Stop threatening students.
He threatens them with surveillance cameras, so he can spy on everybody. Like he spies on all of us here.
Don't start, Chloe. Not now.
Yeah, I'm just always starting shit, right? You're a total paranoid, David.
Not now, Chloe.
You used to call me a loser for getting kicked out of Blackwell. So who's the loser now, David? Who haven't you accused or harassed? Between your investigations into Rachel and Kate, what have you done besides get in trouble?
Prendre parti pour David. Oh fuck! On va essayer de prendre parti pour David cette fois-ci pour voir ce qui se passe.
Listen, we don't know that David did anything, and nobody has any proof against him. As far as we know, it's Nathan Prescott who's the real threat so far. I would cut David slack here.
Oh, would you? How generous, King Max. So suddenly it doesn't matter how shady David has been acting, or that he keeps all those weird files on your classmates, or how you're always going off on how creepy David
Enough!
is.
I don't want anybody being accused of anything. There's been too much of that crap going on around here lately, and I don't want it in my home today.
Well, I agree with that. Now, if you all don't mind, I'd like to forget about work and sit down and eat some of this incredible grub.
I have to take a dump. Are you coming, Max?
J'ai pas envie de t'accompagner là où tu vas. T'es marrante, toi.
Maybe I would do easy on David for Joyce's sake.
Ah, on verra ce qui se passe. Maintenant, on va voir ce qui se passe lorsqu'on prend parti pour Chloé.
You're a bully, David. I saw you harass Kate Marsh when she was going through hell. You could have totally helped her. Everybody at Blackwell is a suspect to you, except for Nathan Prescott. That's why the students and faculty don't like you. You even hit your stepdaughter. I do respect your service, but you don't respect anybody.
Chloe was doing drugs. That's illegal.
So is spying on people in your family and at your work. Why do you have photos of Kate Marsh and Rachel Amber in your files anyway?
What? Is this true, Max? Yes, David. Why do you have these files at all? I find this very disturbing.
I do not have to take this kind of interrogation. Not from you punks.
Maybe you should calm down.
Oh, you're turning on me now, huh? Of course. Women always stick together. Well, screw you.
David, you better go to a hotel until we figure this out.
You can't kick me out of my own home.
It's my home, David, paid for and in my name. You know the law, right?
Oh, I thought I knew a lot of things. Like when I'm outflanked.
Have a nice day.
Chloe, for once, just please shut up.
I hope Joyce doesn't hate me for tearing into David.
Joyce?
Max, don't beat yourself up. David earned this all by himself. Understand?
C'est un choix difficile. Parce qu'en fait, du coup, ils sont séparés, en fait. Mais moi, depuis le début, je trouve que même s'il est chiant et tout, je suis sûr que c'est pas un mauvais gars. Alors, je suis en train d'essayer de réfléchir à quel choix je vais faire et qu'est-ce que les abonnés vont me dire dans les commentaires s'ils vont encore m'insulter comme la dernière fois avec Kenny pour Walking Dead. OMG. Je choisis David. Je suis désolé. Je veux pas que lui et Jace se séparent. Allez, c'est parti. C'est mon choix.
Listen,
C'est mon dernier mot.
we
Désolé.
don't know that David.
Elle va m'en vouloir, Chloé, par contre.
Thanks for letting me down again, Max. Why can't you just rewind so I don't have to see you defending that asshole?
J'ai vu les deux scènes, en fait, tu vois. Donc, tant pis pour toi. Je suis sûr que je vais perdre Chloé à force.
Listen, when I went through David's laptop, I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
Right, no way, Max. She was just posing to tease Frank.
If you're not gonna believe me, why don't we check out what Frank has in his RV?
What's that gonna prove?
Frank has Rachel's bracelet. What else does he have in there?
Motherfucker better not have anything. For his sake.
Ah.
Let's check the door. Frank gets so wasted, he sometimes forgets to lock it.
Je sais pas, il est en train de bouffer, là, je crois. Il nous voit pas? C'est lui, Frank? Moi, je sais pas, en tout cas.
I can't believe you hung out with him.
Not anymore. We have to be casual ninjas here.
Y'a le chien!
Okay, here's the plan. I'll go to the diner and distract Frank by telling him I have his money, but he needs to come with me. Then you come in and rewind so Frank doesn't see me. Then you can tell Frank he needs to check out his RV, and then you rewind after you get the key, and...
Chloe, I got this. I'll be right back.
Don't let my epic plan get in the way of yours.
Okay.
I'll try to scrounge up a Scooby snack to distract his mangy mutt.
Now to find a quick and easy way to snag Frank's keys.
Elle fouille dans la poubelle là-bas, elle. Papa? Maxime, c'est ton papa. Désolé de ne pas avoir te demandé plus tôt, ta mère est très fière de ce que tu as fait pour sauver cette jeune fille. Et moi aussi. Je suis certain que t'envoyer à Blackwell a été la meilleure chose que tu exigeais de nous. À chaque fois qu'on entend parler de toi dans le journal ou qu'on te voit en vidéo escorter cette fille en sécurité, ça nous rend tellement fiers. Si tu as envie de rentrer à la maison, te mettre au vert et t'inscrire dans un lycée, la porte est grande ouverte. Papa. Merci, c'est la folie ici, je ne suis pas encore prêt à rentrer. Max Soso. Un pigeon mort! Non, pigeon! Pourquoi? Pourquoi es-tu décédé?
Good morning. How are the fish today?
Don't ask. First the snow, then an eclipse. What's next? A tornado?
You don't think it could be like climate change or something?
Climate sure has changed around here. Just saw that Prescott brat having a fit by himself in the parking lot.
Isn't he always having a fit?
He ain't the only one. If you knew what was going on with the fish around Arcadia Bay. Sorry, I'm too pissed to talk about it. See you around, kid.
Il se passe des trucs avec les poissons. Allez, on rebobine tout ça. Alors, on verra ce qu'il a à dire.
Good morning. How are the fish?
Don't ask.
Poisson.
I heard that something bad was happening to the fish in Arcadia Bay.
Well, since you mentioned it first, there ain't no fish in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, fuck.
What? Come on. None?
None worth catching and eating anymore. I'm not shitting you. Salmon, trout, bass have died and migrated. Even the damn clams are dying.
Oh my god. But what about...
Sorry, just too salty to talk about it. See you around, kid.
Dur. Comment ils peuvent disparaître comme ça? Monsieur camionneur,
Hey, how's it going?
expliquez-moi tout.
Peachy. Interview over.
Wow.
Worst interview ever.
Some punks messed with the train tracks, and now I have to wait for 3 days until I get my cargo. Time is money for a guy like me.
C'est ma faute.
Oh yeah, that sucks.
Wish I could drive right out of Arcadia Bay. Whole town is crumbling. Snow, eclipse, and a slut trying to commit suicide.
Maybe you
Whoa.
should leave then.
Would if I could. Hell, even that shifty Rachel What's-Her-Face asked me once if I'd drive her to Los Angeles.
You knew Rachel Amber? Can you tell me about her?
Nope. Christ, why don't you get a real job instead of homework? I'd love to see you Blackwell turds try to drive my 1977 Needham 18-wheeler out there. Like I said, interview over.
T'as beaucoup parlé pour un mec qui voulait pas parler. Mais bon, moi je dis ça, je dis rien. Hein. Je juge pas. Hein.
Hey, how's it going?
Peachy.
Actually, I wanted to ask if that's your bitchin' 1977 Needham 18-wheeler out there.
How the hell did you know that?
Okay.
I took a Blackwell class on the history of truckers. I always wanted to drive a rig on the road.
Finally, a Blackwell student with brains. Next time I get a local job, I'll let you ride along. Take care.
Fuck. On recommence.
Hey,
Peachy.
actually,
How the hell?
Rachel Amber.
my friend Rachel Amber told me about this cool rig in town because I love taking pictures of truckers.
You knew Rachel. She sure didn't give a rat's ass about truckers. Or real work.
Oh, so you must have known her too?
Only from the diner. She was just a gold digger. She belonged in California with all those... you-know-who-know-whats. Good riddance. But you can take pictures of my truck anytime. Take care.
Cool. Prends une photo du camion.
I don't want to go that way.
Yeah. Tu devrais prendre en photo aussi The Wells Inner, ça peut être pas mal aussi. Mais bon, je dis ça, je dis rien. Il y a quelque chose dans le journal? Non, je vais encore lire que j'ai sauvé des gens et tout. Mais what the fuck?
So ominous.
Mais ça arrive vraiment, hein. Des fourmis qui tournent en spirale comme ça existe vraiment en fait. Si vous pouvez chercher sur YouTube, c'est impressionnant en fait. Ça fait vraiment peur.
Look at that. So sad and disturbing and beautiful at once. What an amazing shot.
Eh madame, comment ça va?
Hi, how are you?
I remember you.
Max, can I get you something from the diner?
I heard about that girl almost jumping off the Blackwell roof.
I think it's all connected to Rachel Amber's disappearance.
A lot of things in Arcadia Bay are connected to Rachel.
Including Nathan Prescott?
That spoiled shit finally got kicked out of his daddy's school.
He also drugged the girl who tried to jump.
Sounds like you know a lot more than me, child.
I just think Arcadia Bay is in trouble.
Maybe you'd like to tell me what you're hiding.
I feel like I can trust you as much as Chloe. And you wouldn't think I'm crazy.
Too late for me to judge anybody. Plus, you're not crazy.
I'm just gonna say this. I had a vision of Arcadia Bay being destroyed by a tornado. For real.
Could be. Bad mojo is in the air this week. Thanks for the warning, Max.
Oh. Cette action aura des conséquences. Pourquoi il y a autant d'oiseaux morts? Il y a des oiseaux morts partout. Ça craint. Il y a des mouches là-dedans, c'est dégueulasse. En même temps, si tu vas me dire que c'est des poubelles, ça doit sentir mauvais. Bah, j'ai vu que j'ai prévenu la SDF qu'il y aura une tornade, peut-être qu'elle va se casser d'ici, on sait, hein. On sait jamais. Peut-être que c'était une bonne chose. Monsieur camionneur, je suis désolé pour vous. Voilà. C'est ma faute si la voie ferrée est cassée. Fuck. Mais Joyce, elle travaille
Good
pas.
Lord, bacon. I'm ready to nosh again. Oh, but I need to get those keys from Frank.
De plus en plus, Max me plaît de plus en plus. Ok, officiellement c'est complet, mais j'ai réussi à mettre la main sur 2 billets pour nous. J'ai dû me battre avec dizaines de mecs, c'est nerd. Elle lui répond pas en fait, elle lui dit simplement un message dur.
You eat like a pig. Try the floor.
I was eating those beans. Are you fucking insane? I was eating those beans!
Oh! Wow, 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 wow. Mais
I
là,
just
mais...
wanted to see what would happen if I did this.
I'm gonna kill you.
Ok. Mais pourquoi je fais ça? Ça sert à quoi? C'est quoi l'utilité de ce truc?
You have serious balls, little girl. But hanging out with Chloe, playing with guns, and dressing up like Rachel doesn't make you cool or tough. What the fuck do you want?
Je veux la
Take a
clé.
picture of me and I'll break your fucking camera.
How do you know these are Rachel's clothes?
Because she looks beautiful in them and you look like ass. You're lucky I just took that gun from you.
Grab your keys and let's check out your RV.
Let's not. You fucking creep me out.
In other words, Max, no keys. Maybe I could chat up that officer, or even Nathan, and then go all Groundhog Day on them until I get the info I need.
What? Un jour sans fin? Non mais ça va durer trop longtemps, tu sais. Comment on va faire? Oh, il y a Bambi là. Un truc à la télé?
But that doesn't explain the recent extreme weather patterns.
No, but we have to start with the hypothesis that climate change is a partial cause for the unseasonal weather. That doesn't explain everything, of course. Frankly, we don't know yet.
Dr. Hedora, will your team know more after their latest tests?
I hope we see more patterns, which gives us an atmospheric template.
Many local residents of Arcadia Bay have been questioning what has been going on with this crazy weather. We had an eclipse yesterday, a snowstorm 2 days ago.
On se pose tous la question. Monsieur le flic.
There she is, Super Maxine. That's your new nickname around the bay.
Good.
Sorry, but you did earn it. We're all real proud of you for helping Kate down.
Thanks, Officer Barry. I was just lucky. And right on time. Kate is who counts.
I'm glad you're representing Blackwell Academy.
D'accord, d'accord, d'accord. Drôle de ville, Kate Marsh, David Mason.
Do you think Arcadia Bay is a weird town?
I'd take a normal city with normal problems about now. Makes me sick thinking about it.
Kate.
I guess Kate Marsh will be the face of Blackwell for a while.
And you for helping her. That's the kind of school spirit we need more of.
Yeah, baby.
I feel like David Madsen represents Blackwell.
Not for long. He's a loose cannon. We all respect him for his service, but he's too eager.
Ouais, c'est
He's
clair.
eager to be a dick to me and Chloe.
That's true. He was ranting about a stolen gun, then I tuned out. Somebody's always out to get him.
Try interrogating somebody else, Lieutenant Caulfield.
Utilisez toutes ces fonctions avec Franck en attendant le Jean Berry. Voilà.
There she is.
Thanks, officer.
I'm glad you're representing.
Ok, d'accord. Kate Marsh.
I thought Nathan Prescott represents Blackwell.
Well, don't make me backwash this bacon. You know what the Prescotts represent.
Taking over Arcadia Bay?
You're not far wrong, Max. I heard the Prescotts are working on some new big land deals. Mr. Prescott helped out my family once a while ago, so I made a deal with him that I can't seem to get out of. Man, if I could get one instant replay in life.
Ah, moi j'en ai plein.
I better finish my breakfast first.
Cool. On va remonter le temps encore. Je me demande si je peux lui parler avec des informations. J'ai même pas vu si... Ouais. Drôle de ville. Accord avec les Prescott. Go.
Well, I heard a rumor you were working for the Prescott family on the side.
Jesus, doesn't this town ever shut up?
No,
I don't blame you for getting extra work.
Look, sometimes I check up on the Prescott family to make sure they're doing all right. Nathan included. Keep this quiet, Max.
Ok, ça marche. Oui. the champion. Allez, go.
There she is.
Il doit avoir du mal, lui. Hein.
Thanks.
Je suis en train de lui remonter le temps depuis tout à l'heure, comme ça doit... Truc d'information que j'ai pris, c'est pour qui? Pour aller avec qui, en fait? Nourriture. Oh.
Looks tasty, but my need for keys comes first.
My need for keys. Nathan Prescott.
Rachel? Whatever the fuck. Oh, look. Max Amber. Nice outfit.
Il avait l'air
By the
content.
way, thanks for getting me fucking expelled, you twee bitch. You're lucky this is a public place.
Considering we're in a public diner with a police officer right over there, you shouldn't advertise your rage, Prescott.
Oh, yeah? You shouldn't have bitch snitched on me to that fucked up principal.
Voilà.
I heard your dad hired a local cop to keep an eye out on you and Frank Bowers. Like a babysitter.
Bullshit. My dad doesn't hire. He owns. And these pigs know better than to narc on me.
Do they? I hope that means Frank won't get busted.
Eventually, he will. Guy's into some freaky shit. He told me once he took a weird blood oath for Rachel. Forget I told you that. Seriously. Now get off my crack, whore. Keep your pie holes shut.
D'accord. Je vais quand même récupérer plein d'informations avec toi parce que apparemment c'est ce qu'il faut faire dans cet épisode. C'est un peu chelou. Allez, recule le temps. Pourquoi ça ralentit? Ah, c'est bon.
Right?
Tais-toi, tais-toi, tais-toi. Il avait l'air très content de voir Rachel. C'est bizarre. Hein, un pacte de sang. Rachel et Frank. Ow, ow, ow.
I bet Frank hooked you and Rachel Amber up with party supplies.
Nice try. Rachel partied like a fiend on her own. More than me.
I doubt that.
Like you would know, virgin. Even that pig over there knows Rachel hung out more with Frank. I mean, don't talk to the cop about that, dumbass.
Ok, d'accord, j'ai récupéré des informations pour le flic. On remonte le temps encore une fois. Putain, c'est très compliqué là. Faut que je fasse tous les trucs de conversation. Mais il parle facilement.
Your sugar daddy will always protect you. And threaten me.
You don't know shit about my father or me. Nobody here does.
Then tell me what I should know.
Why? So you can pretend to care, Spoiler alert, he's an asshole.
Maybe I could help you.
I don't need you for anything except to stay out of my fucking business, understand? Now get out of my face.
J'aime bien l'effet sonore en fait que ça fait, c'est chiant. Sympa.
I bet you hoped that Kate Marsh would stay quiet.
Idiot says what?
Did you drug her?
You are so stupid, Max. You think you're so goddamn smart, too. Don't push me, girl. You don't want me for an enemy, understand? Do you?
Calm down, dude. We're in the diner.
Right. Plus, you're an adult now. I can sue your dumbass for libel. Thanks. Now fuck off, dyke.
Parle-moi de ce pack de sang.
Weren't you supposed to keep your mouth shut about the blood oath Frank took for Rachel?
Blood oath? Who? What the fuck? I never told anybody about that freaky shit. Besides, everybody knows Frank is a liar and a loser. Even Rachel did.
Yet Rachel Amber hung out with him more than you.
So? Rachel wanted Frank's stash. She let him take pictures, then he carries around her photo like she posed for love. Dumbass.
Oh. Le pauvre. Monsieur le flic, il m'a raconté des trucs un peu sympathiques de l'autre côté. Demande si tu pourrais en parler.
Nathan said that Rachel Amber represents Blackwell. With Frank Bowers.
Bowers ain't no student anymore. Sadly, he does represent one side of Arcadia Bay. I want you to stay out of his orbit, okay? Him and that rabid mutt.
I heard something about Frank Bowers and his puppy. My boy does love his dog.
Especially when the dog is your personal drooling bodyguard. You can bet he trained that poor thing on blood.
Gross. I wouldn't bet. Where did he get the pup?
Frank used to bet on dogfights. Now, to his credit, he had a revelation. He saved a bunch of the dogs, kept one for himself. He's still a creep. You and that Chloe stay away, right?
Ok, d'accord, on récupère plein d'informations pour Frank. Frank, tu vois, tu vas pas aimer la conversation qu'on va avoir dans l'instant. Moi, je te dis ça tout de suite. Eh ouais, tu peux marmonner autant que tu veux, mais ça ne changera rien. En tout cas, les amis, si vous avez apprécié cet épisode, n'hésitez pas à laisser un pouce bleu, partager avec vos amis, laissez-moi un commentaire pour me dire ce que vous pensez de la série. Quant à vous, je vous retrouverai donc dans un prochain épisode. À bientôt, les amis.